Everybody, I'm Meech. You're tuned into On the Radar, where we cover health, fitness, and tech. Currently on the radar is black seed oil by Bionatal. I want to tell you guys why this may be the strongest, purest, high potency black seed oil I've ever come across. But before we get into that, scent of the day, you know how I do. I got to smell good at all times, even on camera. When you smell good, you feel good. Today we are going with Jean Paul Gaultier. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is one of my favorite colognes. It just smells, I've been rocking with this for years. It's just it just smells good. And you're gonna wanna smell like me. I'm saying, even if you a dude, you're gonna wanna stand next to me and be like, yo, if I can't get that, I just need to smell this all. I just gonna hang around you and just so that's how it is. But anyway, hit the intro. So you guys know I've used many black seed oil brands during the past year and a half. There's even a few I've never even spoken about on camera before. Before I tell you guys about this product, I want to ask you guys some questions, some things you should think about before you buy your black seed oil. Do you know the origin of the seeds used? No. Do you know the pureness level of the seeds? What? No. Do you know the harvesting year of those seeds? Should I? Do you know how many times the seeds were pressed to extract the oil? Nah, I don't know. Do you know the pressing temperature to produce that oil? Is it filtered or non-filtered? I don't know. I guess it's filtered, right? It's filtered. How much do you really know about the black seed oil that you're using? It works. That's all I need to know. I know it works. I do know that it works. Why are you asking me all these questions, though? I want to give you guys some important information you probably don't know about the black seed oil production and why I think Bionatal is the best black seed oil on the market that I've used. First, if you don't know about black seed oil, let me give you a quick rundown. It's from the Nigella sativa plant. It's also known as black cumin seed. It was mentioned by the Prophet Muhammad as a cure-all to everything but death. This stuff, it goes back centuries. Take it twice a day, 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 teaspoon at night. It's anti-inflammatory, antifungal. It helps with pain, energy, digestion. It aids in cancer prevention. It's an immune booster, aids in weight loss, lowers diabetes, prevents infections, helps with asthma, liver problems. I can go on and on and on, literally all day. It can be used on your skin, on your hair, as well as ingested orally. I've been using it for over a year and a half. I've put many friends and family onto it. It seems to do different things for different people. It's helped me with my chronic cough. It's helped me with my sleep. It has improved my sleep. It has helped your dreams definitely become a lot more vivid. It's helped my mother clear her skin of eczema. She has her face has a much more noticeable, vibrant glow. It has helped lower her blood pressure and cholesterol. Like I said, I can go on just forever. Other friends and family, it has helped grow their hair. It has cleared up their vision due to cataracts. It has helped with back pain and joint pain. It's increased their energy. I'm just giving you experiences of people that I know personally. This stuff works at the end of the day, and that's why I'm so passionate about black seed oil. This is why I keep speaking about it and keep bringing you this information, because it works. Did you know that Ethiopian seeds are the most nutritious seeds compared to seeds from other countries? The difference in climate, quality of the soil, quality of water, all of this affects the development and potency of the seeds. Some countries grow seeds in unsuitable conditions, and that's why they can offer more at a cheaper price, because they're low quality seed. To some people, to most people, a seed is a seed, right? We don't care, it's a seed. I don't know about a seed, it's a seed. But no, a seed is not a seed. This is what I'm trying to let you guys know. As with the seeds, plants, all types of foods, everything that we eat, the nutrition levels, meaning the vitamins and mineral nutrient contents, change depending on the quality of the soil that they're grown in. Have you ever noticed that if you've seen the different brands of black seed oils, a lot of them list where they're from? There's different places like Egypt, India, and Ethiopia. It's because the seeds have different oil, or the seeds and the oil have different potency depending on where they're from. The biggest companies get their seeds generally from Egypt, Syria, and India. And although they don't have bad quality, they're not on the level of Ethiopian seeds. Each seeds from different regions have different qualities and different colors That's why a lot of the labels, if you notice, they'll boast on their labels that they have Ethiopian black seed oil on the label because they have the best. We just don't know, so we don't know why they're saying these things. Let's talk about the date of harvest and why Bionatal is the only company that I've seen that has a press date and expiration date on their bottle. As the new seed season starts, the prices of last season's seeds go down, so companies will buy the old batches. The problem with that is mold grows on the seeds after the first year of storage. This means you may be getting oil from a 2-year-old batch of seeds that are molded. Do I really need to explain why that's a problem? I hope not. Bionatal always uses fresh seeds, and they provide certificates to prove it on their site. I've never seen that anywhere else. Did you know that black seeds contain 30 to 32% oil? One press gets 20 to 25% of oil from the seeds. Most factories press them twice. By twice pressing the seeds, obviously you get more oil, but they get burnt from the high pressing temperature. Then you end up getting increased acid levels in the oil, which degrades the quality of the oil. I bet no one has ever told you that. I certainly didn't know that till recently. In order to preserve the quality and the potency of the oil, Bionatal presses their seeds at a slower rate and a lower temperature of 85 degrees compared to companies who press theirs at about 140 to 194 degrees. It takes more time, but you're getting a higher quality oil. Instead of filtering their oil, they allow 30 days for the natural seed sediment to settle. Think about this, most of the nutrients are from the seeds. We break it down into oil to make it easier to take on a day-to-day basis. Most of us are not going to go around eating a whole bunch of seeds. Bionatal does not filter their oil and allows the natural sediment to settle in the oil. This way you get the properties of the oil, but it's a little bit more potent because you also have the seed residue in it. Also, they take the leftover stuff that didn't get burnt from double pressing and they use it to make high quality soaps and face masks. I have my family currently using the soap and we all like it. I like knowing personally that I'm using the best quality oil that I can find. I personally find it well worth the money spent. One thing that I've realized is we generally make excuses when it comes to investing in our health. That's something we really got to work on overall. We'll gladly pay $200 for some shoes, sneakers, a night out at the bar, but when it comes to, we'll think it's crazy to spend even a fraction of that on something that will improve our day-to-day health. We'll just find, oh, it's too much, it's too expensive. But think about it, you waste money on nonsense. Let's start investing in our health, people. It's definitely the strongest oil I've ever tasted. I think if you give this black seed oil a chance, I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. There's a lot more information that I want to give you regarding black seed oil, about how it's produced, the myths about black seed oil being organic. Yeah, about that one. We'll get into that next video. I also want to give you more information about how and why Bionatal makes a superior brand of black seed oil, but I don't want to bombard this video with too much information, make it too long and overload you with information. So I'm going to come back with another video. So you should definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted the next time I post. There is a link in the description if you want to check out and purchase this brand of black seed oil as well as the soap. Till next time, stay focused, stay fit. Please hit that like button, show your support, and tune in next time to see what else pops up on the radar. Salute.